Hello, I'm Colin McCowan and I'm going to show you, some mysterious forces, invisible forces, hidden forces. Well, you could say, well, if they're hidden and invisible, how can you see them? Well, we can see them because the effects that they have on other things. Before I start, this is going to be about static electricity, but before I start I'm just going to show you a couple of crazy sculptures that I've made. This is a floating red ball, mysterious, like it's hanging by a thread at the bottom and there's nothing between the two balls. And you've probably guessed it already, I've got a magnet in the top and a magnet in the bottom, and they're attracting each other. And if this red ball gets close enough to the white one, it levitates. And if it's not close enough, it doesn't work. So there's one. Here's another one where again I've got some magnets inside, but this time the magnets are repelling each other. So I've got a magnet here with the south pole at the bottom pointing downwards, and in here I've got another magnet with the south pole pointing up, and the like poles, two south poles, repel each other, and that's why they don't seem to like each other. But incidentally, this is made out of steel, and the magnet quite likes sticking to the side there. So that's number 2, and this is number 3, which is exactly the same thing, but I can take the ball off, and now you've got a south pole pointing up and a south pole pointing down. But if I take this magnet here over and turn it the other way up, you can see that now the south pole is attracted to the north pole, and it's a bit shaking faster. I'll turn it over again, and there you are, they're repelling each other. Now then,